So my name's Dan Holloway. So before starting my online business, I had a career in corporate software sales. Before I started, the amount that I knew about online marketing was literally, well, I thought I knew, but in actual fact I didn't know that much at all. So before I started my online business, the amount that I knew about affiliate marketing was literally non-existent, nothing at all. So the way that my lifestyle is different now since before I started online business is, it's such a contrast when I think back to 12 months ago. I was in, corporate software sales, and back then I was working 70 hours per week, corporate job. Now I've been traveling all over America. I've been to so many places this year. It's been a completely different contrast. It's been amazing. The best thing that's happened because of this change is it's not the money. I mean, a lot of people come into this for the money, but it's really about who you have to become in order to make this a success. It's the personal development, it's the mindset, and that bleeds into other areas of your life. Relationships, the way you see yourself, your confidence. So I think the biggest change has been my own mind.
My name is Barbara. Before I started this online business, I used to work for an elementary school as a nurse's assistant.
Brilliant.
Before I started this, I knew nothing about online marketing. It wasn't a field that I was even interested in at first, but now I love it. After the training, we had such amazing speakers. I feel like I'm ready to apply everything I know. And if there's something I don't know, I'm ready to ask someone and learn more as the process keeps going. My life is different now because I have an enormous amount of friends that I didn't have before, and I'm in a way better space in my life, and I'm ready to take on new things that I haven't experienced before, and I'm ready to just dive into anything that gets handed to me. I'm ready. The best thing that's happened to me because of this change is, I would say, I've become a new person that is interested in finding out more about myself so I could share more about myself, because I've learned so much of who I am, and I would love to give people breakthroughs that I've had. I had a real shy past and no courage, and this whole week has given me the courage to not be shy anymore, to speak up, to let everyone hear my voice.
Amazing.
In one word, I could sum all of this up as monumental, a monumental experience.
My name is Mark Taylor Jr. Before I started my online business, I was working 3 jobs. One job was a firefighter for my city. My other job was a plane de-icer at the airport. And my other job was a private chauffeur. Before I started my online business, I knew basically very little.
Okay, that's it.
Now that I've gone through the training and I've gone to live events, I feel like I have a good grasp of the business and a good grasp of the direction I want to go, and I feel like I really understand now. My life is different now from what it was before because my wife and I are no longer working a regular 9-to-5 job, and we also are partners in our businesses together, and it's providing like us with more happiness and fulfillment in our marriage and in life, just being able to work together. The best thing that's happened to me is watching my wife evolve. It's the happiest feeling I can feel. I'm getting goosebumps now talking about it. Just watching her grow in such a short period of time is very exciting for me, and I'm very proud of her and happy for her. And I see some big things coming for her too. Like, this is only the beginning, so I'm very excited. Exhilarating.
My name is Jennifer. Before starting my online business, I was a sales consultant and sales coach. Before I started my online business, I did not know that much about online marketing. I knew how to blog, but that's about it. And my blogs weren't even really that good. My lifestyle since I started my online business completely changed. Before I was always scared because I had to constantly be looking for new clients, and that made me feel really scared. And now with my online business, I feel inspired. I feel like I have the ability to attract new customers really easily, and it gives me a lot of peace of mind that I'm actually attracting customers and earning money while I sleep. The best thing that's happened since I started my online business is, first of all, just that feeling of peace of mind. One where I know I'm earning money, but at the same time I have a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment without big struggle to get it. And also meeting the community, that other people that are doing very similar things as I am, they're very similar to me, very like-minded, and that's very comforting to meet people that are similar.
My name is Karina Thomas. I was volunteering on a permaculture farm, living as a volunteer in-house gardener. So before I started, I actually knew nothing about online business. I had never ever done anything like this before. I mean, the most I knew about it was eBay and Facebook. I had a Facebook account, so I knew nothing about affiliate marketing or anything to do with anything. So since going through all the training that was provided, I feel like obviously there's still so much more to learn, but I know that as soon as I learn something and I implement, I see results. So I feel confident that if I just stay on that journey and implement the training, that I'll get to where I want to be. Now I'm in a situation where I feel like like my life is different now because I just feel like I'm on the right track. Like I finally feel like for the first time in my life, I'm doing something for me and not for anyone else, and I'm on track, you know, and I feel inspired every day, and every day I'm growing. So yeah, my life, I wasn't growing, I wasn't inspired for so long, and now I have that, so yeah. The best thing that's happened to me since doing all this is I just love myself more. Like, that's it. I feel so much more confident and comfortable in my skin.
Amazing.
In one word, I would describe all of this as home.
As what?
Home.
Home.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's it.